So how was your overall experience with your trainer and management?
Understanding technical itself, it is little bit tough for me, but our trainer after the class also, if I can't understand any of the topic means, after the class they will be also teach us, ma'am.
How was your lab experience and how it helped you in your career?
As a network engineer, lab is very important for us, so that I have practiced more on a Cisco tracer packet and then a GNS3. So if there is any in the real time router and switches also we can be used on it. So it is very useful to grow network knowledge about that.
So what are the challenges you faced and how did you overcome through that?
While attending the real time interviews, this mock interviews helped me very well.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students come together to share their success stories. Today we are delighted to be joined by Akshaya, who has recently secured a placement at 22/7. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the conversation. Hi Akshaya, welcome to Networkers
Hi,
Home.
ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Really good, thank you. First of all, congratulations on your new job.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Akshaya. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I completed my graduation in BTech Information Technology from Mahindra Engineering College in Namakkal in 2025, ma'am.
Okay, that's really nice. So Akshaya, how did you got to know about Networkers Home?
It was because of my mother's close friend, and her daughter was studied in Networkers Home, and she was also got placed in that. So she referred me that, and some of the IT based background, they are referred me that Networkers Home is good for learning about the networking, and it will be add in a better future. You got placed very easily in that. So if you put the efforts means you can get placed easily. Like that they have referred me, ma'am. So that I got that.
That's a really good thing what you mentioned. You got a right guidance actually. So from Tamil Nadu to Bangalore, how was your journey?
Yeah, I'm traveling from, I'm in Ozur only, ma'am.
Okay.
So I'm just traveling up and down daily, ma'am. The first struggle is my communication. So I got an improved with talking with my friends and communications class. So I got an improved in that. So in here only I will talk in English also. In home also I will try to speak in English.
That's a
for
nice
my
thing.
better
Exactly.
communication with my close friends, I will call and speak only in English. So in networking, main thing, if we add in a 50% technical means, then we add in a good communication skills means we could able to select in a company, ma'am, very easily.
That's a good thing what you mentioned, Akshaya.
Yes.
I have a question for you on this communication. As you told that you just call your friends, talk it in
Yes,
English, but there are few people who give a judgment on
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
What is your opinion for them?
I will say that look, we have everybody is working based on an IT professionalist, so we can able to speak in English, so we can be, it will be come in a flow, right? So it is useful for you also, it will useful for me also. So that I said that we could able to speak, trying to able to speak in English. Later we can speak in Tamil or other languages.
Yeah.
We will be speak 10 minutes or 15 minutes in English, and later we will be speak on other languages like that.
That's a good, initiative what we create for ourselves.
Yes, ma'am.
It improves our communication skill also. So while speaking, you just told you got improved in your communication
Yes, ma'am.
skill. Can you just put some more light on that?
Yes, ma'am. I will speak in daily basis. So I will be speak with my mother also. I will be speak if she's understand or not. I will be speak with my mother, and she is also trying to catch some of the words in that. So she is also learning, and I am also learning in that, ma'am.
That's a really everything, and moreover, we networkers home we do
Yes.
provide
Yes,
communication
ma'am.
classes
Communication
also.
class. It was in both online and offline also, ma'am.
Okay.
So sometimes I will be attend on online. So it will be in a very good because they were trying daily we will be say the self introductions
Exactly.
and daily we will be communicated to our friends very easily, ma'am.
Okay, that's a nice thing. As you told about class, I'll get into your trainer and
Yes, ma'am.
management. So, how was your overall experience with your trainer and management?
Yeah, first it was I'm coming from IT background, so I
Mhm.
have just studied about the computer networking in my college days itself, ma'am.
Okay.
So I got an interest on that. So I'm choosing several paths, but my sister was referred that you are in a good, you are in studied about that, right? So you can choose this. It could be in a very easily, but whether when I came to here, but I had so many struggles to answer in technicals.
Okay.
So I could able to understand, but I could not able to say that in
Communicate.
technical words.
Okay.
So that first understanding technical itself, it is little bit tough for me. But our trainer after the class also, if I can't understand any of the topic means, after the class they will be also teach us, ma'am.
Okay, you can go to them
Ask
asking your doubts.
doubts, ma'am.
That's really nice. Then, how did management help you?
Management was helped me in several ways, ma'am. So anytime we can ask our doubts, and even though we can message and ask that sir, this technical lab is not working, sir, what I can do. So they will be message on that. So
Replying
you can try this. You can otherwise you can try this command, like that. They will be mentioned on it, and they are providing a labs in that, ma'am. So lab technician will be in there. So if there is any lab thing problem means lab technician will be in help on us, ma'am.
Oh, that's really nice what you mentioned. So I just want to ask you that how was your lab experience and how it helped you in your career?
So lab experience was we as a network engineer, lab is very important for us.
Okay.
So that I had practiced more on a Cisco tracer packet and then a GNS3. So if there is any in the real time router and switches also we can be used on it. So it is very useful to grow network knowledge about that, ma'am.
Oh, that's really nice what you mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
So Akshaya, while you were telling, you mentioned a lot of challenges and
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
So what are the challenges you faced and how did you overcome through that?
So first challenge is it is like an understanding the topics in the CCNA
Exactly.
level. So that is a basic networking. So that we understood that CCNA topics means we can able to understand very easily the advanced level, like advanced routing and then a switching part. So that I was took a mock interviews for that. So I went to mock interviews, even though I had attended several mock interviews. So first interviews I went confident, but I could not able to answer it properly.
Okay.
Within a technical words. So that again I have tried, and again I have tried, and fourth mock interview I did an well. So we have to study in using technical knowledge, and we have to use a technical in like a Cisco packet tracer. We have to practice it in every day. So if we didn't practice for the if we started to study, you completed CCNA and you are studying a routing and then switching means again you come to CCNA basic knowledge about the networking, like a subnetting means we could able to forgot it easily. So we have to practice daily in that way.
That's a nice thing. Practice makes man perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a good thing.
I will practice daily any one of the practicals daily. I will be keep in mind so that I will be practice in daily basis.
That's a nice thing what you told actually. If whatever we studied today, going back home and studying the same thing, revising, it helps to keep that particular concept in our brain. Or else going at the end, I mean like reaching out to the end day and coming from the starting, it doesn't work anymore. Because it's not a tiny little concept we are studying. So as you mentioned about mock interview, I'll get into that question. How many mock interviews did you attend and how was your like experience?
I have attended 6 or 7 mock interviews, ma'am. So that my first mock interview, it is a little bit bad only because I could not able to answer for 2-3 questions only I haven't answered. And second mock interview they said that you have improved in that. So after third mock interview I given, and fourth mock interview I did well in that, ma'am. So I have started to first I given a CCNA level based. So while doing CCNP itself, I given a CCNA level based, ma'am. So that after that I jumped to then a CCNP while I am thorough in a CCNA, and I went to then a CCNP routing and then switching part, ma'am.
That's really nice. As you told that you couldn't clear first mock
Yes,
interview,
ma'am.
did it impact you like in a educational wise?
Yes, ma'am. It is in a really tough because I have done learned everything in CCNA, but I could not able to say what. Suddenly they are asking questions means I could not able to answer it. So that I needed time to think, but they given the time also in that. So once I become afraid means nervousness means I will be forgot everything. So they were improved me lot in that mock interview using that. While attending the real time interviews, this mock interview is helped me very well, ma'am.
Okay, that's a nice thing what you mentioned. So now you just got into a new job.
Yes, ma'am.
Take us through that.
Yes, ma'am. I got placed in a 22/7. So it was in a service-based company, ma'am. It was in a very good infrastructures, and they were said about everything about the companies, what they are using, and what kind of job roles you will be in have in that. Like that, they have mentioned everything, ma'am.
Okay, that's a nice thing. Can you take us through your interview process?
Yeah, it was in a three levels of interviews, ma'am. First, it was an HR round, and second, it was in a technical one, and technical 2 plus discussion round was there, ma'am.
That's really nice. I just want to ask you something in this interview thing. You just mentioned that discuss round.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how important communication and other educational knowledge while it comes to a discussion round?
Yeah, they will be focused on the communication first, ma'am, because we have to communicate it to the foreigners, like an abroad clients. We have to communicate it in that. So in this base, they are looking for the communication only. So they are asking about us, what and all hobbies you had. They say about yourself, like that. They will take 5 minutes. Say about yourself, like that. They will be asked. Communication plays a role in here, ma'am.
That's really nice, but I just want to ask you some out of box question. So do you really think that improving in a skill and educational, these two are different things?
Yes, ma'am.
How important skill development is actually?
Skill is very important, ma'am. Suppose in a college days, I have not taken 83% in my college days, but after I have completed, I choose a different kind of domain. So skill is very important than an education, ma'am. Because if we add on a skill means we can able to get placed in anywhere, but in the education based means we have just studied about the theoretical knowledge like that. For skill means we have to, like in a real time environment, we can able to work on, ma'am.
Can you just tell to our audience how can you improve your skill?
So you have to practice daily. And after that you try to improve your communication first, and that only, ma'am, we have to technically we have to be strong in that.
That's
so
nice.
it can be in any kind of skill, but technically you should want to be strong in that.
Yeah, that's a good thing, and we have to practice that every single day without fail. So if we are stopping that for a one day, we need to have that guts to start the same second day.
Yes.
We shouldn't fail in that.
Yes.
There's a nice thing what you mentioned. So how was your overall experience here at Networkers Home?
It was very good, ma'am. Starting they were said that better you can attend in online, like that they have informed me, or otherwise you can take a PG, like that they have informed me. But I said that no, I will be travel and I can look around the people, what kind of peoples are there. Like that I want to experience that also. So I did an up and down itself for Networkers Home to my home, like that I would daily it can take 2 hours nearly while traveling. Nearly I travel for 4 hours literally. So in that case I have learned more based on this network. I learned outside also everything very well and good. And from the Networkers Home, it was a new challenge for me, because there was 60 people in my batch itself. So I am the only girl in that. So it was first it was really difficult to handle that. And next I was in a second struggle is my technical. So I have improved that also. And even though the communication, so that also I have improved in that, ma'am.
That's really nice what you mentioned. While starting of your speak, you just mentioned that online and offline
Yes, ma'am.
classes. So how impactful both the classes is? Like how impactful does online classes impact a lot or offline classes impact a lot?
It both also it is in the same only, ma'am, because if I ask in offline doubt also, they will be say to me. In online also, if there is any doubt means we will be raise the question means they will be say on it, and they will be if we can't understand means they will be teach again also the same topic itself, they will be in a teach again also, so that it is very good in that, ma'am. And we had a recording classes in that, so it is a very helpful for me. As a personally, I it is very helpful, the recording classes, ma'am.
Okay, what is this recording class? Can you elaborate?
They will be teach nearly 2 hours class. So that classes will be they sent by as soon as 1 hour itself they will be sent on us. So we can practice it daily. So if we can't understand this topic means again we can go and watch the recordings and we can go through on it, ma'am.
That's nice. So while you were telling, you just told that you are traveling like for 2 hours every day up and down. So how does the surroundings impact us?
Yes, from Hosur to Bangalore, it will be in compulsorily, it will be in a traffic.
Exactly.
So I will be, if the traffic is in a heavy means, I will be catch my home bus and again I will be go to my home and I will attend in online, ma'am. So I know that I could not able to reach here on the time. So I will be catch my another bus and I will be go to home and I will be attend another online class.
It's really nice what you mentioned, because even I travel from office to my place. The thing is that we learn, actually. The main thing, we learn how to communicate, we learn how we have to behave, we learn every tiny little single things. And somewhere it helps us to grow in our skills. Everything matters. So I just want to suggest people that as much as possible, try to be in a surrounding, try to watch people what they are doing, because it helps us to grow somewhere. Actually, that's a good point what you mentioned. So we are at the end of our podcast. Is there any word for our people and team networkers home?
Thank you so much for being a good trainer and in a good institute. And they were my mother and my fathers also is supported in that while the training periods. So they never questioned me any of the cost. So that thank you so much for that, ma'am.
That's a really good thing what you mentioned, actually. Like supporting in every aspect is, like matters a lot in our personal development. Thank you for coming and all the best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.